Hi everyone, this is Teacher Jen from Camgush.com and welcome to Essential Grammar in Use book by Raymond Murphy. Today we will answer the exercises on Unit 32. If you can still remember, on Unit 32 we discussed about the word should. Now, we will see if you understood the lesson and if you can answer these exercises. Our first activity is to complete the following sentences. We have to use you should plus the following verbs here. Let's have number 1 as an example. When you play tennis, blank the ball. When you play tennis, blank the ball. So what do you think is the right verb for this? When you play tennis, you should blank the ball. So of course, the verb that is appropriate for that is watch. When you play tennis, you should watch the ball. Now, how about number 2? It's late and you're very tired. Blank to bed. It's late and you're very tired. Blank to bed. You should blank to bed. What do you think is the correct verb for this? Okay, so of course our answer here is you should go to bed. Number 3. Blank plenty of fruit and vegetables. Blank plenty of fruit and vegetables. You should blank plenty of fruit and vegetables. What do you think we should do with fruits and vegetables? Of course, that is the verb eat. You should eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Next, if you have time, blank the Science Museum. It's very interesting. If you have time, blank the Science Museum. It's very interesting. You should blank the Science Museum. What is the correct verb for that? Of course, that is the verb visit. You should visit the Science Museum. Number 5. When you're driving, blank a seatbelt. When you're driving, blank a seatbelt. You should blank a seatbelt. What do we do with a seatbelt? Okay, of course, we wear a seatbelt. You should wear a seatbelt. Last sentence. It's too far to walk from here to the station. Blank a taxi. It's too far to walk from here to the station. Blank a taxi. You should blank a taxi. What is the correct verb for that? Okay, so it should be you should take a taxi. So now let's go on to the next activity. As you can see, we have some pictures here. In this activity, we have to write about the people in the pictures. We have to use he or she shouldn't. So, okay, again, we will write about the people in the pictures. We have to use the words he or she should not. So, let's have number 1 for example. We can see some people here. The guy is saying, you watch too much TV. You watch TV too much. So, what do you think is the sentence that we can write about this picture? Number 1. She shouldn't watch TV so much. She shouldn't watch TV so much. Why? Because we have to use negative. She shouldn't. So, we have to write about the woman or the girl. She shouldn't watch TV so much. Now, let's go into number 2. Again, there are 2 people. And the other person says to another person, you eat too much. What do you think is the sentence that we can put here on number 2? Very good. So, our sentence is, he shouldn't eat too much. Number 3. Again, 2 people. One woman said, you work too hard. What do you think is our sentence here? Very good. She shouldn't work too hard. She shouldn't work too hard. Number 4. There are 2 people here. They're inside a car. The woman said, "You drive too fast." You drive too fast. What do you think is the proper sentence for this? Very good, everyone. So it should be, he shouldn't drive too fast. He shouldn't drive too fast. Now let's go on to another activity. Here, you are not sure what to do, so you ask a friend. Write questions with "Do you think I should?" Okay, so this time we will make some question sentences. And we have to start with the words, "Do you think I should?" Do you think I should? Because we are asking a friend. You are asking a friend for their opinion or advice. Let's have number 1 for an example. This is the situation. You are in a shop. You are trying on a jacket. You are in a shop. You are trying on a jacket. And the question should be about buying or buy. So you ask your friend, "Do you think I should buy this jacket?" Do you think I should buy this jacket? Okay, so this is the question that we should do on the following sentences. Now let's have number 2. You can't drive. You can't drive. So, our verb here is learn. What will you ask your friend? Okay, very good. So our question here is, do you think I should learn how to drive? Do you think I should learn how to drive? Now let's go into number 3. You don't like your job. You don't like your job. So here, our verb is to get another job. What will you ask your friend? What is our question? Very good, everyone. Our question should be, do you think I should get another job? Do you think I should get another job? Now, last number. You're going to have a party. You're going to have a party. Our verb is invite. Gary, what do you think is our question here? Very good, everyone. So our question here is, do you think I should invite Gary? Do you think I should invite Gary? Very good, everyone. So as you can see, it's very easy to make positive sentences, negative sentences, and question sentences using the word should. Also, they are very useful or helpful. Now I want you to review this lesson about our exercise and answer them on your own. Also, I would like to encourage you to enroll in Cambridge.com's classes because we can definitely help you improve your English skills. Now, this is the end of our lesson. I hope you learned something. This is Teacher Jen from Cambridge.com saying goodbye and see you on our next video. Goodbye!